Our soft landing system lorry bags are designed to offer protection to personnel working on the bed of a vehicle or ever working platform. All of our product has been tested at BRE in Watford and complies to the latest BSI PAS 59 standard. All of our product is manufactured using a specially blown memory-formed EPS bead. This is designed to absorb an impact should a person fall onto the units. The EPS bead is treated with a flame retardant chemical. The outer material also has this flame retardant chemical added to it, as well as being resistant to UV degradation. Our 1200 type lorry bag has a footprint of 2.4 by 1.8 metres and a height of 1.2 metres. This is tested to a fall height of 4.2 metres from ground level. Our 600 type lorry bag has a footprint of 2.4 by 1.8 metres and a height of 600 mil. This has been tested to a fall height of 2.6 metres from ground level. Our lorry bags can be used for perimeter protections around lorries, rail rolling stock and ever working platforms. When working on the bed of a lorry alone, we recommend using our 600 type lorry bags, whereas when you're working on or climbing across a load on the back of a vehicle to secure this, we would recommend using our 1200 type lorry bags. Always begin your installation installing the two bags at the rear of the vehicle before moving forward towards the cab area. Each 1200 type lorry bag is a 4-person lift, and there are lifting straps on 4 corners of the bag to assist with this operation. Manoeuvre the bag into situ with your 4-person lift before butting up against the edge of the vehicle. The next stage is to attach the ratchet strap to the underside of the vehicle before tensioning, making sure this is butted up against the bag adjoining it. Take the Velcro strap from the adjoining bag, looping through the bag you have just installed and reattaching back to the adjoining bag, starting with the strap nearest the bed of the vehicle, moving forward and finally following the same process with the loop and Velcro at the front of the bag. Continue to install the lorry bags, moving forward until the installation exceeds the bed of the vehicle and protrudes into the cab area. The installation of the 600 type lorry bags is exactly the same as that for the 1200 type lorry bags, with the exception that the 600 type lorry bags do not have the ratchet strap which attaches to the underside of the vehicle. And the 600 type lorry bag is a 2-person lift. The quantity of bags you will require to surround the vehicle will vary depending on the size of the bed of the vehicle. Our lorry bag soft landing system can be configured to offer coverage wherever there is a risk of a fall from height. For a 40-foot vehicle, you require 5 per side and 2 at the rear, and for a 45-foot vehicle, as shown here, you require 6 per side and 2 at the rear. The installation time for these typical quantities would be around 15 minutes. There are a couple of services we can offer to support our product. We can come to site to train personnel how to install the product correctly, while we will issue them with a competency card. We can also come to site to inspect the bags on an annual basis to ensure they are still fit for continued use.